Hi, you just completed an exploration where you learned about the difference between analog and digital devices. Let's summarize what you learned. We learned about the concept of analog versus digital. An analog device uses values that span an infinite range, while a digital device uses values found in a discrete range. Let's look at some examples. A thermometer is a great example of something that can be analog or digital. An analog thermometer could conceivably show an infinite number of values using the red indicator. A digital thermometer, on the other hand, has a discrete number of values that can be displayed on the digital screen. Though there are still many values that can be shown, we can understand that from the image shown that though 96.8 can be displayed, a temperature of 96.82 or 96.87 could not. Another great example of something that can be analog or digital is a clock. An analog clock could conceivably show an infinite number of times using the minute and hour hand, but a digital clock can only display a discrete number of values on the screen. We learned how the plot brightness command can be used to light an LED at a specific brightness value from 0 to 255. We also learned how to use the clear screen command, which will turn off any LEDs that are currently lit. Now it's your turn to use these commands inside your own microbit programs.